Adding a scrolling banner can really impact your website. The first thing you'll need to do is add your images. You can upload, utilize the clipboard, or our stock image library. We recommend horizontal images for your banner. Once you've added your images, you can click into each one to customize it. If you want to change the focal point of your image, you can do so by clicking the Edit Focal Point button. You can add a title and a subtitle to your banner, as well as choose the placement of your text. You may need to adjust this depending on the composition of the image. If you want your banner to have a button, add in some button text and set a link of your choice. Once you're happy with your images, you'll want to choose the banner layout. We offer 4 different layouts to choose from: Classic Full Screen, Classic Medium, Classic Short, and Classic Thin. When you've found the one that fits best, hit Save. From here, you can customize this block under the Advanced area. Keep in mind that these block settings will override the global settings you've set up. You can control the spacing, colors, and background of the block. Now you're set up to show off your best work.